Good morning, everyone. Happy February and happy Fed Day. JJ here from microefutures.com. Just wanted to do a little video on markets when they get jammed up like what we're seeing tonight in the overnight action of the ES. Yesterday was month end, last trading day of the month. And what happened was the market spiked over 40.76 at the end of the day in that last half hour as shorts got trapped here when we took the high of 2 days ago, or the previous day high yesterday. Shorts got trapped, creating these single prints, and you could see the volume point of control in this market is way up here at 40.90. There's like 30,000 contracts up there. So there's buy-ins and people, looking and adjusting their inventory. So that's all size traders doing their business here. But the takeaway from that is for most of the night, we had price accepting in the spike. The spike is from 76 up, and we were above that. So why is the market going lower now? Well, the shorts are trapped under here and buying. But what happened is we spent enough time trading over 76 with no upside over 83 half, right? So that the longs that have been holding here for hours, right? They've been holding here for 7 hours. They're getting a little tired, right? So when they get tired, they start selling. That causes others to sell. You can see it here beautifully on a candle wax chart, right? You can see that 80 bid, right? The market was bid, 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 bid. And as soon as we take out these lower candles here, right, you get, you know, some selling. And that's why you can see every time we came up to 78, it was a sell, right? Every time you came up to 78, there was a seller here. Why? Because that's where these traders are trapped long, and they're selling out. So now what we do is we look to see if the market can come and take these lower stops. At this time of night, I'm not really anxious to take. If I miss the short and I'm looking for a long, what I want to wait is I want to wait till the market comes down and stabilizes price. So you're going to see your candles. You're going to see your candles start going back and forth in a choppy range. And when you see that, that's what tells you that the price is starting to stabilize. Now at this time of night, remember, right? It's 10:30 in the morning in the UK. It's like 5:30 in the morning. There's not a lot of buyers out there. The shorts are the ones who are trying to buy back. It is a Fed day, so there's not going to be a lot of participation, right? So keep this in mind, right? Trade very carefully, right? Just trade very carefully. Remember to protect your capital. If you don't see that A plus setup of yours, don't, be be fussy with your money, right? Be be an order flow snob. If it doesn't fit your setup, don't put your money down. Wait, right? You got all the time in the world. It's a brand new month, right? So we're going to look at these lower stops here in the 63, 62, right? And what's going to happen is the large traders who are long here are just going to sell ahead of those trapped longs. Because if your cost basis is 60 and other people have paid 80 for it, if they go to sell it at 76, you could sell it at 75. If they go to sell it at 75, you sell it at 74. Eventually what you're going to do is you're going to take the people who are trapped here, who have a higher cost basis, you're going to take out their product here, and you're going to use the money that you made selling in front of them because your cost basis is lower, buy it back and then take it back up, right? Or if more sellers come in, you can just outcompete them because you have economy of scale. And if they are long at 80 and selling at 2, not a great trade. You could sell at 2 all day and still make a profit because your size and you acquired your product here under 60. Anyway, that's how inventory moves markets. So at times like this, instead of like putting a position together, maybe wait and see if price stabilizes. You'll see price come down to a level or a standard deviation or a fib or a dib or a squib or whatever you guys are using, and then you'll see it going sideways back and forth. That means it's starting to shut off. But don't just jump in right away because remember, there's less folks in Walmart at this time of night. I'm JJ. If you want to learn how, to trade and actually execute when you know what's happening, you look where the buyers are, you look where the sellers are, you get in front of them. Keep it simple, keep it profitable, okay? Have a great, great first of the month and trade intelligently. DM me if you need me. Bye for now.